Hi guys and welcome. Today I want to show you something really impressive. This is one of the leading e-commerce platforms that will help you to start your own online business. It's ready to go, and this is fantastic opportunity for those people who always wanted to start their own business online. So let's take a look to the official website of Sellvia. This is a fantastic tool that will let you to start your own business really quick and without an extra efforts, because this platform contains all that you need to start a business. So what it is and how it works, Sellvia is one of the leading e-commerce providers committed to simplifying business for direct shippers by providing really game-changing delivery services. This brand was created by a team of software developers and experienced entrepreneurs with extensive experience in the e-commerce industry. Their main goal of launching the service was to help e-commerce shippers make the most of their online store, with one of the main benefits of working with Sellvia being that shippers no longer face obstacles when trying to sell in the United States. This system works in the United States, but it doesn't matter where you are around the world. You can own your own business to sell products and goods inside the United States. The key feature of Sellvia is a product catalogs. It has products from a variety of categories and offers excellent deals. Its product categories include cars, family stores, fashion, holidays, gadgets, health and beauty, home and garden, hoodies, baby and baby products, made in USA products, outdoor products, pets and sports, and much more. So you can choose from the long list of categories to run your own business, to sell your own goods. What's better to you? What do you like? So what can you sell? You can find information on the official website. But what's more interesting about Sellvia's catalog is the unique customer reviews that accompany each product. Each product has SEO optimized names, clearly written product descriptions, and high quality product images. So you don't even need to make your own content. Sellvia also offers a one-click import feature that allows you to import products into your store with a single click. And this is huge, really. Sellvia also imports images and product descriptions into your store. You just must to specify the category you want a product to be imported into on your site, and that's it. You have the website ready to go. And you can then import as many as your website can contain at no extra cost, all with a click of a button. Another reason Sellvia is an ecosystem is that it handles inventory and fulfills your orders in the United States. Not only do you enjoy fast delivery, but you also help build a good brand image among your customers. Sellvia also offers a plugin that allows you to use Sellvia with WooCommerce. Shopify app is a Shopify version of the Sellvia plugin that makes it easy to import and fulfill orders automatically. This is especially good for the Shopify e-commerce store. So with the app, you'll be able to do everything an app can do with the Shopify store. This includes access to Sellvia's US vendors and quick logistics services. In addition, Sellvia offers automation tools that allow you to automate certain aspects of your e-commerce business. The most common automation it offers is order placement. Whenever a customer orders an item in your store, Sellvia automatically redirects them to their fulfillment center to fulfill the order on your behalf. So guys, as a conclusion, you get a turnkey e-commerce business absolutely for free for 14 days of free trial. You can check it, test it. If you like it, okay. If you don't like, you can switch off anytime. you don't need to build a store from scratch and fill it with products, and that takes a lot of time in general. The product pages already have gorgeous same style product photos, unique layouts, and authentic reviews. That means they're completely ready for promotion. One more advantage: super fast US shipping. Fulfillment and manufacturing center located in California, meaning that Sellvia users can offer 1 to 3 day shipping to their US customers, and that's really cool and that's awesome. Products with a high sales potential. All the products on this platform has high sales potential. In Sellvia's product catalog, you'll find thousands of hand-picked items with proven profit potential and steady demand levels, aimed at triggering impulse purchases and giving real value to the buyers. And of course, you will get not only a turnkey online store, but also free 24/7 technical support. And one more advantage is top quality packaging, because every product from the fulfillment center is made ready for a long distance delivery before it transferred to the USPS. It's packed into a neat, secure box with no labels or brochures, a real catch if you want to create a consistent brand image. So this platform is just a treasure, and you can start your own e-commerce business just with a click of one button. You just need to press the start button on the official website. The link to the official website of Sellvia you can find in the description panel of this video, so be my guest. Hope you enjoyed, hope this information was useful. I wish you good luck and press the start button.